Procedural material tag. Procedural material tag MeshOp was enhanced using similar method to which one can find in Selection Nerd for procedural selection sets. It was however upgraded, and this upgrade will also be propagated to Selection Nerd Kit update. Standard procedural material tag doesn't have list of materials in the scene. In Shading Nerd, there is a list, and also you can create new material from within the MeshOp. Use the string channel to provide a name and click the icon on the left side of the list. The material group will be created, MeshOp will set the material tag to this newly created one, and the MeshOp name will get a suffix with the same name as material group. The button on the right will clear the name and the suffix.